Such a beautiful morning. Beautiful Sunday. I'm gonna go head out of bed. Oh, it smells so good out here. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. Go ahead and close this. I'm gonna go head downstairs and eat some breakfast. What one do I need? Cocoa bunnies. Yeah. Alright, got milk and some cereal for me for breakfast. Well, okay. Alright. Oh, stuff to the table. The milk also. Forgot about a spoon too. Let's go ahead and have some goodness. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this. Okay. Looks really good. Now grab a spoon. Let's eat. This is so good. Man, I'm enjoying this so much. This cereal was really good. I enjoyed it. Now I'm just gonna put this in the dishwasher. Alright. I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher. Have to grab the spoon. I'm gonna go take it to the dishwasher. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the dishwasher. Alright. Now I'm gonna go for a walk outside. Let's go outside. Oh, let's enjoy a nice walk. It's such a nice hot day. Man, it's super hot. I'm gonna go for a little walk to the park. Hey, Bonnie. Oh, hey there, Nightmare Foxy. Hey, come over here. Okay. Hey there, Nightmare Foxy. Hey there, dude. Yeah, what happened? I was wondering, do you want to take my Dodge Ram? Because I'm selling it, and I'm gonna buy a new car. Oh, okay. How much does it cost? Oh, I'm giving it to you for free, dude. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go take it. Sure thing. I'll go ahead and move aside. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'll head back home. I'm having fun taking a spin in this. Alright, making a U-turn back home. Pulling into the driveway. Alright. Well, okay, I'm gonna head back in. Now I'm gonna head back in. Today was a hot day. Man, today was a good day. It was hot, but I got my truck now. I got a car. I'm so happy. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and play some GTA 5.
Well, hi there, YouTube. It's Freddy Fazbear here. If you want to see more films, subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the video. I'll see you all in the next ones.